2. Okay, so as long as we stay inside of this band right here, the wedge, we will be okay. Okay, so we'll be totally okay. Just got to hold the wedge right there. Dude, check Trump's Twitter. Haha, just posted. He must be sauced this hour. Dude, I don't think that guy sleeps, seriously. So, filled the bear gap right there. Perfectly filled it. Look, filled that bear gap, filled this bear gap, filled that bull gap. And as long as we ride inside of this zone, I think we're going to be completely okay. And I think we can get the alts to pop still one more time, as long as we can slowly grind this up. So the best thing to happen for us is to slowly grind this up. Losing this is going to be catastrophic for alts, right? And I will write this in here. Losing the 8200 will be devastating for alts. Right? Losing 8200 will be absolutely devastating for alts, right? Like, just can't lose 8200, okay? I'll put this down here. Okay, I'll make this smaller. All right, there it is right there. Okay. Yeah, so we don't want to lose 8200 for alts at all. This is super bad. What we actually want is just a slow grind in this. And this can even break this wedge right here. It's okay to break this wedge as long as it just keeps slow grinding. That's totally fine with us. Because what we can do is we can just adjust this wedge lower. We'll just pull the wedge down to like the 382 or something like that. And it can just keep moving sideways right here. I'm totally peachy king with that. All right. There's that line. Listen, we have held this. Like, this thing has been touched like 3 times like a virgin, and it is not giving it up yet. Okay. Nice pullback. Nice pullback. Listen, I was telling everybody, don't panic. Don't panic. Not yet. Don't panic yet. All right, looking at all the other charts, I mean, everything looks okay. There's nothing that's super scary out there, except for those hanging man candles. Other than that, the hanging man candles are just my biggest fear right now, right? If you're afraid of something, you want to be afraid of those hanging man candles. All right, that's pretty much it. And I'm going to get rid of this triangle right here. I'm just going to use this. I'm going to pull this box right there. I'm going to pull that box right there. And there's a little bit of support. Yeah. We'll leave that right there. We'll leave a little bit of support right here. Okay, and looks good. Actually, I'm going to make this a little thinner. All right, there we go. And, oh, look, we started a new 4-hour candle. That's great. Let's go over here, take a look at what we got. Let's take a look at Raven. Nice little bounce on Raven. Neo, not so good. ETH, meh, still in the wedge. Nothing has changed. You got to break top side or bottom side for this to really happen. SV kind of just chilling. Had a bunch of good news today. If you guys didn't check out the news on SV today, it's... they actually are working with Uber, which is insane. Over in the members area, it is right here. So there it is. They're actually, Bitcoin SV is partnering with Uber as part of their something or other. Anyways, it's no big deal. We're going to get Scroll. Take a look at Scroll. Listen, Scroll. Every time it hits this 10 cents area, this 10.5 cents, it just can't break over, right? Bang, rejected, bang, rejected, bang, rejected. We're just waiting for an announcement on Scroll's all we're waiting for, but just took this whole dump in. Guys, it, right? KMD. Listen, Until One Milk called this baby, called it like a beast. This thing has had a great, just an unbelievable run. I'm gonna put that. He's 40%, 6% up on his call, almost 47 right now. On the this is on. You've got the double bottom here on the BCH pair, so you're doing pretty good if you're in the BCH pair over here. This thing is actually looking from the bottom to here. You're up 33%, still really good. Nice little pullback on IOTA. I haven't really been following IOTA. There are some announcements that are coming up soon. Nice little retrace on ICX. EOS looking like it's trying to get a little run up here. Our support for EOS is right there at $7.20 some cents. That was our support. We have a support line right here. Right? Support at 7.2. Right? So we do have support right here at 7.2. If we can get a nice pump out of there, that would be nice, right? Let me put this over the members area. Support at 7.2. Right? Oh, why did I put that? Jeez Lord. Hold on a second. Let me grab this. Dupe. Cancel. Delete. There we go. All right. And here we go. Litecoin. Nice pullback on Litecoin. Listen, I am Litecoin happy. As long as you've got the halving coming, I still think the Litecoin is going to get a nice pump up. I think Litecoin is going to be one of the better plays. BNB, oh, swoosh, whew. Like, be careful with BNB right here. Listen, this is my favorite of my favorite coins, and it's doing great. I just want to see this baby keep moving sideways there. ADA, ooh, took a beating, right? Took a beating. I do have a bunch of buy zones that are all laddered down right here, right? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, hit my first buy zone. So wanted to ladder into those as much as you can. Atom, nice bounce off Atom with a long call. Very nice. And Bat didn't even blink an eye at this dump. ENJ, this is from a Trading Room app. This is his call, and we are playing this. Let's hope that this does break out, or it's going to be super ugly. We had a bunch of people playing it. BitTorrent, BTT, and Tron. Listen, it's the same people playing the same two coins. They just pick a coin. All right, let's play this on Whales. Okay, let's play this on Whales. So they now have two separate things to shill and dump and pump on people. FET, I'm kind of over FET right now. I really am. Like, I'm over FET. I'm not really. Let's see. Let me see if this can work out here. Let me see if I can do this right here. Nope. Let's see if that works out. No, that doesn't work out. No. I'll leave that there. I mean, Fed just can't keep its butt up over this resistance point right here. It just keeps taking a beating over and over and over. It is in this tight band right here, but listen. I mean, really, let's just do this. And we're going to do the same thing. Oh, yep, there it is. So you're just in this tight band, and it just doesn't want to close over this resistance area right here, right? Just FET is just taking an absolute beating. Can't break out. It's just having a tough time, right? Nice pullback on a lot of alts, though. Matic, look at this. This is a double bottom on Matic right here. I kind of like this. So Matic has kind of got a double bottom right here. I kind of like this one. Let's go down here, the Binance area. Matic. I kind of like this. Held the support a second time. This might be good for a scalp long play as a dead cat bounce off support. I think one more test of the support, and it will break. All right. Yep. XRP. Take a look at XRP. Ooh, kind of an ugly candle right there on the 12-hour. You still got a long time at 3 hours and 30 minutes before this baby closes out. But once again, you want to just wait for this baby to break out. A lot of our trades are like that, right? Aeon, kind of a pullback on Aeon. Hot, still in the wedge, still in the channel. Let's take a look at FET. Pullback on FET. There was a couple trades I wanted to go over real quick. No. Oh, yeah. ICX, listen, this is a break play. So you're supposed to play this on the break. And then ADA also. ADA, this needs to be played on the break right there. Like, you want to play this bad boy on that break. That's really the only two trades I want to chat about. Other than that, let's take a look at one, see how one is doing. And let me pull that over there. Because we have been playing one. Nice bounce. Now, I'm going to lower this because in the members area, I do have... So my stop loss was... Let's go up and find one. Where is it? All right, there it is right there. So my stop loss did not get taken out, right? There it is right there. There's my stop loss. And we'll plug that. Right, my stop loss, bonk, right? So I think probably a little bit of my trade got taken out, but I'm still in the majority of my trade. So fingers crossed for me with this, right? Fingers crossed. Had a small stop hit. I am still in this for the beating. Right? I'm still in this for the beatings. Okay, nice double bottom right there. Hopefully that can hold and we can get some kind of run up. Otherwise, I do not feel good in any of these damn trades right now. I mean, I'd like to see a nice big bounce out of here. I'm not holding my breath for anything. This was not a lower low, but still, look at how low this is. This is not what you want to see either. Let's see. Let's go take a look at that on hourly. Ooh, look at that sexy hourly candle right there. Ooh, that's a nice candle. Right? Look at that sexy hourly candle. Seriously, that's a sexy candle right there. Right? It just needs to hold. That bad boy just needs to hold. But that's a nice hot candle. All right, let's pull this over here. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this right here. Right? And my stop loss is at 40 right there. Boink. Okay. And if I get taken out of this trade, I get just ripped out of this trade, and it is what it is, okay? So there that is. There's BTC right there. I still want to move sideways. I think Monday will be the day for the beating on, I think Monday we're going to get our decision, and then there you go, right? Yeah, it was sort of wrong on that thing. Missed a little. But the good news is that it held in the green box. Right? So there it is. That's it. This is exact. So we just want to stay. We just want to stay in this range right here, right? Yeah, it is Monday. It is Monday. Let's see here. Let me see what I got. I don't have any real recommendations. Like I'm playing one. I'd like to see EOS hold here. I think Atom, EOS, Litecoin, those are still my go-tos. Right? My faves, right? BNB, LTC, EOS. Let's do this. LTC for the halving, right? EOS, we have two supports, 7.2 and 6.5. ICX and ADA, I am waiting for breaks. They have possible nice bullish triangles formed. Right? Yep, Scroll and Raven, I'm a hold. Scroll and Raven, I am a holder. I don't know why I watch Neo. Let me look here. Nothing here is really. I mean, Matic might be the only play I could see with a tight stop loss, right? Like this is the only play I could see right here with a really tight stop loss, right? If I was like looking for something. It's not that big of a play. I could totally just see this thing going boom, right? Something like that. I mean, I can see this thing just going boom. There we go. Alrighty. Okay. All right, that's it. That is it. It looks like, yeah, everything looks really, yeah, it's actually, it's Monday morning here. All right, everybody, I am out. I'm going to bed. Thank you all so much. Really appreciate it. Love having you all here. We're from Trading Associates, and good night.